It's a 2005 Suzuki Vinson 500. This is how to change the spark plug. So you're on the left-hand side of the machine. I'm sorry, if I knock this light off, I'm sorry, I'll pick it up. So pardon my cinematic skills. So anyways, you've got your petcock here, and you've got your spark plug boot right there. So you're gonna take this little piece, this black piece right here, and you're gonna pull it up. Pops out and you can see the top of the spark plug. So then you're gonna take your socket and then put it right down on top of there. Try, don't break it. If you have to, you can take your wrench off. Looks like I'm gonna have to do that to get it so it fits down in around there. And then you're gonna put your ratchet back on there. It shouldn't be too tight. If somebody over tightened it last time, or if you over tightened it last time, so just a couple twists and it came loose. And you should be able to just do it by hand after that, once you've loosened it up a little bit. Sorry, my hands are a little bit slippery. So you can see I'm just doing it by hand. It goes pretty quick. Once you've loosened it up with your socket, you can just get it by your finger. You can keep using your socket if you want, it's just a little bit harder. It's a small area down in there. Alright, so there you go. Mine's not in terrible shape. I'm probably gonna put it back in there. I'm just showing you how to do it. So you're gonna drop it back in here when you get your new one. If there's any kind of pressure, especially at the beginning, if you have to put much pressure on it, it's probably cross-threaded and back it out. You should be able to get it in there quite a ways with just your fingers. It kind of just drops down in there. So I'm tightening it up. I'm going to go ahead and do that real fast. Alright, so I got it on there finger tight. Sorry, not with the wrench, with the socket. Alright, and I got it on there with my ratchet. Just torque it down to the specs. I do it till it's not quite, till it's snug. I don't want to over tighten it, but you're gonna have problems getting it out later. And then you're gonna take your spark plug boot and you're gonna push it back down on. So you can see my spark plug down in there, the white thing. You're gonna take and you're gonna put that boot back on top of it. You're gonna push. You should feel a click or hear it audibly snap down on there. If it doesn't do that, it's not on there all the way. If it clicks down there, you should be good to go and you can start up your bike. If it's not, just go ahead and push this boot back down a little bit harder, and that's how you change the spark plug. If you have any questions, let me know.